Ready? Start. In order that decision of a court should become a decree, there must be an adjudication in a suit, and such adjudication must have determined the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit, and such determination must be of a conclusive nature. Stop. If those parameters are to be applied, then rejection of application for condonation of delay will not amount to a decree. Stop. Consequently, dismissal of an appeal as time barred is also not a decree. Stop. We are aware that some decisions of the high courts have taken the view that even rejecting an appeal on the ground that it was presented out of time is a decree within the meaning of said definition. Stop. We are also aware of the contrary decisions rendered by high courts on the same point. Stop. Dealing with some of those decisions, a full bench of the Calcutta High Court has held that if the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act was rejected, the resultant order cannot be decree, and the other rejecting the memorandum of appeal is merely an incidental order. Stop. The reasoning of the full bench was that when an appeal is barred by limitation, the appeal cannot be admitted at all until the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act is allowed, and until then the appeal petition, even if filed, will remain in limbo. Stop. If the application is dismissed, the appeal petition becomes otiose. Stop. The order rejecting the memorandums of appeal in such circumstances is merely an incidental order. Stop. We have no doubt about that the decisions rendered by the high courts holding the contrary view do not lay down the correct principle of law. Stop. Next para. Full bench of Karnataka High Court considered the same controversy, and while relying upon above judgment, Honorable Apex Court held that order of dismissal of first appeal as barred by limitation is not a decree, and second appeal against said order is not maintainable. Stop. Full bench further observed that even if formal decree is drawn, the second appeal is no maintainable, and proper course is to file revision petition under Section 115 CPC para 12 of the judgment is reproduced as under. Stop. Next para. The question as to whether dismissal of appeal consequent upon dismissal of application for condonation of delay would amount to decree has been specifically considered and decided by the Supreme Court, wherein after referring to decree as defined in Section 2 Civil Procedure Code in para 10, the Supreme Court has observed as following para 11, and it would answer the question to be determined in this reference.